घबराने की कोई बात नहीं। वीओ गेट के साथ मिलकर अब अपनी मिड्स और फाइनल की तैयारी कर सकते हैं। बासानी उसमें हम आपको तरतीब के साथ इम्पोर्टेंट टॉपिक्स और MCQs बताएंगे, जिसमें आपकी आसानी के लिए हमने व्यू हैंड आउट से इन MCQs के आंसर्स का पेज, नंबर और टॉपिक भी लिख दिया है। इस वीडियो को हमने 3 पार्ट्स में डिवाइड किया है ताकि आपकी तैयारी अच्छी हो सके। तो चलें बगैर आपका टाइम जाया किए वीडियो को स्टार्ट करते हैं।
1. Which preprocessor directive is used to prevent multiple inclusions of a header file? Hashtag include, hashtag define, hashtag ifndef, hashtag undef. Answer, hashtag ifndef. Page no, 269. Topic, preprocessor directives. 2. What does hashtag define pi 3.1416 do in a C++ program? Declares a variable pi with value 3.1416. Replaces all occurrences of pi with 3.1416 before compilation. Creates a runtime constant. Allocates memory dynamically. Answer, replaces all occurrences of pi with 3.1416 before compilation. Page no, 269. Topic, macros. 3. Which of the following statements about macros is false? Macros are expanded before compilation. Macros can accept arguments. Macros allocate memory at runtime. Macros can be undefined using hashtag undef. Answer, macros allocate memory at runtime. Page no, 269. Topic, preprocessor macros. 4. What is the role of the hashtag include directive? Defines new variables. Declares functions. Includes header files before compilation. Compiles the program. Answer, includes header files before compilation. Page no, 269. Topic, include directive. 5. What will happen if a preprocessor directive contains a syntax error? Compiler ignores it. Compiler generates an error. It is corrected automatically. Execution halts without error. Answer, compiler generates an error. Page no, 269. Topic, preprocessor directives. 6. Which function is used to dynamically allocate memory in C++? Malloc, new calloc, allocate. Answer, new. Page number, 279. Topic, dynamic memory allocation. 7. What happens if dynamically allocated memory is not freed? Program runs faster. Memory leak occurs. The program crashes immediately. Compiler automatically frees the memory. Answer, memory leak occurs. Page number, 279. Topic, memory management. 8. Which of the following correctly deallocates memory allocated with new? Delete PTR, free, PTR, remove, PTR, clear, PTR. Answer, delete PTR. Page no, 279. Topic, deleting dynamically allocated memory. 9. Which function allows resizing a previously allocated memory block? Resize, realloc, modify, expand. Answer, realloc. Page no, 279. Topic, memory reallocation. 10. Which of the following statements about memory leaks is true? They occur when dynamically allocated memory is not freed. They happen only in small programs. They are automatically fixed by the compiler. They do not affect performance. Answer, they occur when dynamically allocated memory is not freed. Page number, 279. Topic, memory management. 11. Which operator must be overloaded for dynamic memory allocation in a class? Plus new size of. Answer, new. Page no, 305. Topic, operator overloading. 12. What happens if a class has no constructor defined? Compiler generates a default constructor. Object cannot be created. Compiler throws an error. Memory is allocated without initialization. Answer, compiler generates a default constructor. Page no, 305. Topic, constructors. 13. What is a default constructor? A constructor with no parameters. A constructor with default arguments. A constructor defined by the programmer. A constructor that returns a value. Answer, a constructor with no parameters. Page no, 305. Topic, constructors. 14. Which function is called when an object is destroyed? Constructor, destructor, delete function, garbage collector. Answer, destructor. Page no, 305. Topic, destructors. 15. Which keyword is used to define a class in C++? Struct object class define. Answer, class. Page no, 305. Topic, classes and objects. 16. What is the purpose of a copy constructor? To delete an object. To copy the value of an object to another object. To create an empty object. To free allocated memory. Answer, to copy the value of an object to another object. Page no, 305. Topic: Copy constructors. 17. Which function is automatically called when an object goes out of scope? Constructor, destructor, free, delete. Answer: destructor. Page no. 305. Topic: Destructor function. 18. Which type of function cannot modify object members? Static functions, virtual functions, constant member functions, friend functions. Answer: constant member functions. Page no. 305. Topic: Const functions. 19. Which access specifier restricts access to class members only within the class? Public, private, protected, static. Answer: private. Page no. 305. Topic: Access specifiers. 20. Which of the following correctly initializes a class object? Class name obj, class name, new class name. Answer: class name obj. Page no. 305. Topic: Object initialization. 21. Which keyword is used to define an inline function? Static inline macro define. Answer: inline. Page no. 305. Topic: Inline functions. 22. Which function type is useful when the function body is small? Virtual functions, inline functions, friend functions, static functions. Answer: inline functions. Page no. 305. Topic: Inline functions. 23. Which of the following statements about function overloading is true? Overloaded functions must have different return types. Overloaded functions must have different parameters. Overloaded functions cannot have default parameters. Function overloading is not allowed in C++. Answer: overloaded functions must have different parameters. Page no. 305. Topic: Function overloading. 24. Which operator is overloaded to support object comparison? Plus size of and. Answer: equals. Page no. 305. Topic: Operator overloading. 25. What is the purpose of friend functions in C++? To access private members of a class. To create multiple instances of a class. To prevent object copying. To delete class objects. Answer: to access private members of a class. Page no. 305. Topic: Friend functions. 1. What is the primary advantage of using templates in C++? Avoids the need for function overloading. Reduces execution time significantly. Increases memory allocation. Removes the need for pointers. Answer: avoids the need for function overloading. Page no. 329. Topic: Templates. 2. Which keyword is used to define a function template? Define template function generic. Answer: template. Page no. 329. Topic: Function templates. 3. What is the correct syntax to define a template function in C++? CPP. Copy. Edit template void func. TA. Template function. TA. Define template void func. TA. Function template. TA. Answer: template void func. TA. Page no. 329. Topic: Function templates. 4. Which of the following best describes an STL, standard template library, container? A function that returns a template type. A predefined template class for storing data. A function used for recursion. A C++ built-in memory allocator. Answer: a predefined template class for storing data. Page no. 345. Topic: STL containers. 5. Which STL container maintains data in a key-value pair format? Vector stack map Q. Answer: map. Page no. 345. Topic: STL maps. 6. Which STL container should be used for fast insertion and deletion at both ends? Vector dequeue stack set. Answer: dequeue. Page no. 345. Topic: STL containers. 7. What is the primary use of STL iterators? To store values in an array. To traverse elements in an STL container. To increase the speed of template functions. To replace all loops in a program. Answer: to traverse elements in an STL container. Page no. 345. Topic: STL iterators. 8. Which STL algorithm is used to find an element in a container? Locate, find, search, lookup. Answer: find. Page no. 345. Topic: STL algorithms. 9. Which function should be used to sort an STL container? Sort, arrange, order, shuffle. Answer: sort. Page no. 345. Topic: Sorting in STL. 10. Which header file is required for using STL algorithms like sort and find? Hashtag include, hashtag include, hashtag include, hashtag include. Answer: hashtag include. Page no. 345. Topic: STL algorithms 11. Which of the following is not a valid STL container? Vector map ArrayList to Q. Answer: ArrayList. Page no. 345. Topic: STL containers. 12. Which of the following is true about vector and list containers? Vector allows fast random access, while list does not. List requires contiguous memory allocation. Vector does not support iterators. List is faster for direct element access. Answer: Vector allows fast random access, while list does not. Page no. 345. Topic: STL containers. 13. Which of the following is not a type of STL iterator? Input underscore iterator, output underscore iterator, reverse underscore iterator, binary underscore iterator. Answer: binary underscore iterator. Page no. 345. Topic: STL iterators. 14. Which of the following correctly creates an iterator for an STL vector? Vector, iterator it, iterator greater than it, iter, vector, it, vector, iterator it. Answer: vector, iterator it. Page no. 345. Topic: STL iterators. 15. Which function removes all elements from an STL container? Delete, clear, erase, remove all. Answer: clear. Page no. 345. Topic: STL containers. 16. Which function returns the number of elements in an STL container? Count, length, size, elements. Answer: size. Page no. 345. Topic: STL containers. 17. Which STL container does not allow duplicate keys? Vector map multimap set. Answer: set. Page no. 345. Topic: STL sets. 18. Which function is used to add an element to an STL set? Insert, push underscore back, add, append. Answer: insert. Page no. 345. Topic: STL sets. 19. Which of the following is an invalid way to initialize a vector? Vector v equals 1, 2, 3, 4. Vector v, 10, 5. Vector v, 10. Vector v, 10, a. Answer: vector v, 10, a. Page number 345. Topic: STL vectors. 20. Which function returns an iterator pointing to the first element of an STL container? Begin, first, start, head. Answer: begin. Page no. 345. Topic: STL iterators. 21. Which STL container follows a last in first out, LIFO, structure? Q stack list to Q. Answer: stack. Page no. 345. Topic: STL stack. 22. Which of the following correctly adds an element to the end of an STL vector? Vector, push, 10, vector, append, 10, vector, push underscore back, 10, vector, insert, 10. Answer: vector, push underscore back, 10, page no. 345. Topic: STL vectors. 23. Which STL algorithm is used to reverse elements in a container? Reverse, invert, flip, rotate. Answer: reverse, page no. 345. Topic: STL algorithms. 24. Which function removes the last element of a vector? Erase, remove, delete last, pop underscore back. Answer: pop underscore back, page no. 345. Topic: STL vectors. 25. Which of the following STL algorithms is used to remove duplicate elements from a container? Unique, distinct, remove duplicates, filter. Answer: unique, page no. 345. Topic: STL algorithms. 26. What will find, return if an element is not found in an STL container? Null to false, iterated to end, -1. Answer: iterated to end, page no. 345. Topic: STL algorithms. 27. Which of the following functions checks if an STL container is empty? Asempty, is empty, empty, size, equals 0. Answer: empty, page no. 345. Topic: STL containers. 28. Which function swaps the contents of two STL vectors? Exchange, replace, swap, change. Answer: swap. Page number 345. Topic: STL vectors. 29. Which of the following is true about an STL priority underscore Q? Elements are retrieved in sorted order. Elements are inserted at random positions. It follows the FIFO principle. It can only store integers. Answer: elements are retrieved in sorted order. Page number 345. Topic: STL priority Q. 30. Which function is used to insert an element at a specific position in an STL vector? Push underscore back, insert, add underscore, depend. Answer: insert. Page number 345. Topic: STL vectors. 1. What is the primary purpose of operator overloading in C++? To create new operators. To change operator precedence. To define custom behavior for existing operators. To allow implicit type conversion. Answer. To define custom behavior for existing operators. Page No. 381. Topic. Operator overloading.